Hi, I'm Julian from Team Stolp, and if you have an iPhone XR or a newer version, there's actually some very cool phone automations that you can set up simply by tapping or either placing your phone on one of the marked plus signs on Stolp. So imagine you want to send a cute little message to your wife once you get home, or you want to set a timer for how long you want to go offline. You want to play your favorite playlist or go in low power mode once you put your phone inside Stolp. The possibilities are endless. In this video tutorial, we'll teach you how to set up your first automation. And we're going to start with an easy one, setting the automatic timer. There you go, you've set up your first automation with Stolp. Watch this page if you want to learn more automation tutorials. And do you have any cool ideas for new automations? Do reach out to us and we'll help you set up. Thanks for watching.